First, install the handle and secure it with 2 hexagonal screws. The oven supports 110V and 220V. Before inserting the power cord, please check whether the voltage set by the machine is consistent with the actual voltage used. If it does not match, please adjust the oven voltage. Insert the power cord and turn on the main switch. When the main switch is turned on, it will emit a light. The temperature and time are already set at the factory, so there is no need for secondary settings. Open the lid and place the PET film paper coated with adhesive powder in the oven. Close the oven lid. Press the start button of the oven, and the oven will start baking the film paper and start the countdown. After the countdown ends, a beep will sound to remind the user that the time has arrived, and pressing it again will stop the beep. Open the oven and remove the baked film paper. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.